If you're integrating with Xero, you can now have credit limits set for your customers in Unleashed. This will give you total control over your credit risks and help you reduce outstanding receivables. To enable credit limits, go to Integration, Integration Store, and click on the Xero tile. Now, click in Configuration and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Over in Advanced Features, simply switch the toggle on to have the credit limits feature enabled. Please note that the customer's contact would have to be synced in between Xero and Unleashed for this to work. Now, let's go to a customer record to set the credit limit. Over in Apply Credit Limit, switch the toggle on and set the credit limit accordingly. Please be aware that by default, only super users will have permissions to set credit limits, but the credit balance will appear as view only to any other types of users. If you want to save time, you can import your customer records with the credit limits. Now that your credit limits are set, when creating a sales order, you can see the credit limit and the amount of credit used. Please keep it in mind that the invoice needs to be approved on Xero for the credit balance to be considered in Unleashed. For this example, let's quickly complete an order for this customer. Now, let's get this invoice approved in Xero. Back to Unleashed. Unleashed is pulling fresh account balances from Xero every hour. Alternatively, you can sync it manually within the transaction or your customer record as required. Once this customer pays this bill in Xero, the credit use will decrease. This will give you and your staff better control on managing your customers' credit limits. For example, if you are trying to complete an order for a customer that the credit limit has been reached or exceeded, a warning message will appear notifying you. You can choose to ignore this warning and complete this order if you have the correct permissions within Unleashed. Thanks for watching.